Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone! Today I will give you a quick tour on our province. Ayan, nandito tayo sa kabukiran. Lakad-lakad lang. Kasi malayo yung sakayan eh. Kaya doon ako pupunta doon sa malayo. Doon sa malayo, doon sa sakayan. Diba? Our place is one of the barangays here in Dipolog City, and I will give you an overview about Dipolog. Dipolog is the capital and a component city in the province of Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines, located in the northwestern part of Mindanao and known as the gateway to Western Mindanao. It's a significant port, a commercial hub, and home to Dipolog Airport, serving as a crucial access point for the region. The city is famous for being the bottled sardines capital of the Philippines and hosts various attractions, including Linabu Peak, the Dipolog Boulevard, and the historic Cathedral of Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary. Doon lalakarin natin yung papuntang sakayan. So, ganito dito sa amin sa probinsya. Kaya lakad-lakad lang tayo. Exercise na rin yan. Diba? Yan, malapit na tayo sa kalsada. Nandun na tayo, malapit na tayo sa kalsada. Malayo-layo din ang lalakarin natin mula doon sa amin. Diba? Kalsada na yan. Hanap tayo ng masakyan tricycle. So, merong papunta doon. Merong papunta doon. Kaya doon tayo. Puntahan natin. Yan siya. So, dito tayo mag-aantay. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this and looking forward to see you on my next video. Thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone.